Next, you need to calculate the amount of electricity used for tube light, fan and CFL separately. For this, let's create a function. I drag the to do something code block under functions like this. Let's give the name of the function as switches. All switches receive electricity when the main switch is on. So this function needs to be activated only when the main switch is on. Because of this, a repeat while code block under control is dragged into the function in this way. Let's connect a code block with the equal sign in the logic section as a condition here. Connect the app variable main switch code block in variables to the left side with the equal sign and connect a true code block under logic to the right side in this way. When the main switch is on, since the value of the main switch variable is true, we created the condition in this way. Now let's calculate the amount of electricity consumed for the tube light. First of all, we need to check if the switch tube is turned on at this time or whether the value of the switch tube variable is true. For this, an if code block under control is dragged into the repeat while code block. Let's connect a code block with the equal sign in the logic section for the condition. Connect the app variable switch tube code block in variables to the left side of the equal sign and connect a true code block under logic to the right side like this. Okay, now when this switch is on, the amount of electricity consumed should increase by 1 unit per second. After the first second has passed, the amount of electrical units 0 plus 1 equals 1. After another second passed, 1 plus 1 equals 2. In this way, the amount of electrical units increases from second to second. We have created the tube consumption variable to assign the amount of electricity consumed for the tube light. Let's add 1 to the value of this variable. I drag a wait 1 seconds code block under control here. Click the variables again and drag a change app variable switch tube by 1 code block here. Click on the arrow in front of app variable switch tube and change the variable name to app variable tube consumption. Now let's display the amount of electricity units assigned in this tube consumption variable in the label tube below the switch. For this, click the label tube and drag the set label tube's text to code block below the change app variable tube consumption by 1 code block. Let's connect an app variable tube consumption code block under variables again here.